If you want to record sounds on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, first of all, we're gonna go to the recorder, which we should be able to find in the app drawer. There we go. Of course, we need to agree to terms and conditions to be able to use the recorder. Over here at the bottom, before we start recording, we have three modes. We have a voice focus, normal, and environment. In my case, I'm just gonna stick with the normal one. We're gonna start recording. We need to make sure that the app has access to all of these permissions, and now we are recording ourselves. So of course we can record our audio pretty easily. Once you are done, you can just simply tap on this middle button. This is of course to pause, but you can press again in order to continue recording. You can of course rewind as well, and you can play. You can also adjust the speed of the playback, and then if you go all the way to the right side, then of course you can once again keep it recording again. And once you are done, just tap on the save in the bottom right corner. You can set up the name and tap on the check in order to save it. There we go. Now we have the list of recordings that we have made. We can of course easily play our recording. We have a couple of options that we can use in order to use the recording. Here in the bottom right corner, we have this pen that allows us to change the name for the recording. We have skipping 10 seconds forward or going back 10 seconds into the recording. We have the speed of the recording. We can share and delete the recording. Pretty simple. Also, here, once you have the at least one recording, once we see the list, then in order to record a new audio, of course, we can use the same button, but now it is located in the bottom left corner. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.